what is the clearance distance for us?
One door to be open.
1 meter.
1 meter.
So what do you think? We have enough distance from the car? Just you pass.
Yeah.
So what? How should you keep your gap? Do you have more gap?
Yeah,
Keep
I
one.
have got that.
Okay. Take the next road, right? Now again, did you see you being more closer? Why?
It has to.
Do the junction, then you'll do it. Keep going, keep going. After you pull up on the left, when you find a safe place, okay? Just behind the grey car. Behind the grey car. Left and get on. Keep it straight. Secure. Okay. So on the left we have two car park. Okay, so we are turning right. On the right there's no oncoming vehicle. Okay, we have space on the right. So this situation we have to have 1 meter gap from the park car. So you can keep it to the right, no problem. Then when you pass the car, keep it your car slow and steady, and you come to the left. Then you turn right. So what you are doing, you trying to keeping to the right.
To the left, just middle line.
Don't here you don't need to keep the line, because what is the problem over there? There's a park car.
To the middle line. Okay.
There's a park car, so you cannot do left to the center line. Left to the center line you do later, because you need to first finish the car on your right, on your left.
Okay.
So when you pass the car, then sometime if there's a car park or anything, try to do your best. Okay, and you need to keep your car very slow. So in this situation, you're not even close to the junction, and you try to keep close to the car. So we are too close to the car. Okay. So what is our distance from the park car?
1 meter.
1 meter.
Good,
Okay.
good.
If there's no space for 1 meter, what do you need to do?
We need to maintain distance.
We need to keep it our cars very slow.
slowly.
Okay, very slow. Okay, move on when you're ready. Now we are coming back again on this road, and let's see how you deal in this next situation. So you need my help, or you want to do yourself?
No, do it.
Okay. The next crossroad, we are turning right. Can you see the road? Mirror. Which mirror should you check for it?
Center right.
End of the road, turn right, please. Which mirror you need to check for right indicator?
Right.
Center right.
Yeah.
Can you see meeting traffic? Meeting traffic? Slow down. You can use the sun visor. Okay. End of the road, turn right. same road. Okay. So we are taking the next road to the right. Okay. So what you need to do?
Center right.
Okay. Now here you keep your speed very slow. Okay. You keep 1 meter gap. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now stay slightly to the left. Yeah. Right. Keep right indicator on, and you turn right. So can you see what is the difference now?
Yeah.
Now follow the road ahead, please. Take the next road to the right. Which mirror should you check?
Center right.
Or which mirror do you have to check it now?
Center right.
Now you have to check it center left.
Center right.
This is center and left.
Check.
This. Before indicator, you need to check center right. Next crossroad, follow road ahead. No. Keep going left, keep going left, keep it left, keep it left, yeah. Turn right, turn right, turn right. Okay. Just pull up behind the blue car. Ignore the driver. Okay, just pull up behind this car. Keep it right. Yeah. Straight. This one. Secure. Okay, what type of junction is this? Do you remember? Do you remember staggered junction? Staggered?
Yeah.
Staggered?
Yes.
So how's
Y type? This one.
staggered?
Staggered. Okay.
Do you remember?
Yes.
So is there a staggered junction? So how should you deal with the staggered junction?
Before approaching, we need to look away, aside, and then we can keep ourselves to the left, and then
Okay, so this is for every junction, not for only the staggered junction. So the staggered junction is you going straight, no? Your left side will be slightly on your left or right, depends. Okay, so you should approach on your left hand side. Okay, so can you turn over engine, please? Turn on your engine. Turn off your engine. Okay. So okay. Can you see the road here? We are coming from here, no? Can you see our straight? If you go into straight, this is our road. Okay, so it's straight is slightly on your left hand side. It's not straight. Okay, so what you are doing, you want to try to going like this. You're doing the corner cut. This is the reason I stop it over there. So what is the danger to doing corner cut? Do you remember?
okay. If someone is coming from
This road, you'll hit them, no? So we should approach like we don't put any indicator, staggered junction, stay on the middle.
middle of the lane.
Then left and right, and we should approach like this. Is okay for you? Clear for you now?
Yes.
Okay. So now we come back again on this junction. We'll do it again. Fix on your engine, please, and move on your end of the road. Turn right. Very good. You can use the sun visor if you need it. End of the road, turn right. Yes. You have to check first mirror, then indicator, not together. Keep following road ahead. Where should it be in a junction? On the left hand side. Good mirror. End of the road, turn right. Good mirror. And take the first road to the right. Very good. Good mirror. Now we're going ahead. End of the road. Crossroad going ahead. Okay. So it's the same staggered junction, okay? Now stay on the left. Yeah. And push. So you will slightly move it. Huh?
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's perfect. So, staggered junction depends by road, left or right. Be slightly left or right, you need to be your side of the road because our normal driving position is always to the left, no? End of the road, turn left. you give your right indicator?
Just cancelling the left.
Okay, in traffic light, you are turning left. You follow the road ahead. What is the speed limit here? Huh? 30. So road is clear. So what should the speed we should maintain?
26 is
Yes. Okay, we are taking the next road to the left. Right is clear. You can stay slightly to the right now. Keep going forward. And just pull up on the behind on the left here. Okay, secure. Turn on your engine. Okay. So keep relaxed now. So what do you think before 1 to 10? 1 is very not good, 10 is very good. Before on junction, what do you give yourself before and now?
Before I was at 4.
Hmm?
Now I can give myself 7.
So, okay. Okay, I give you still 6 because I have lots of time, need to help you in the junction. Okay, so we need to do more practice on junction, so you need to be on 10.